Hi, welcome to our channel, and for our video today is that I'm going to show you how to install WinRAR into your computer. Okay, but before we go on to that, let me ask you guys to please subscribe to our channel and like this video. Okay, so umpisa na natin. The first thing that you need to do is to download the application. Okay, just open your Google and then type winrar. Okay, just like that, and then enter. Okay, so there are lots of results here. We will choose the first one. Alright, so just click that. And then at the right side of the screen, you will see the download WinRAR button. Okay, so just click that button. And then at the bottom of the screen, you will see the download WinRAR. Okay, just click that button. And then, so what you are seeing now is that the file is already downloading. So we will just wait for this until it will be downloaded, okay? Alright, so guys, as you can tell, the file is already downloaded. So here at the bottom, you see. So if we open the file, or if we locate the file, just go and click this arrow beside the name and then show in folder. Choose or click show in folder. Ayan. And then as you can see, nag-appear na dito yung location ng file or yung folder ng file where the file is located, right? And then what we want to do is to install the file or install the application. Okay, so just right click this one and open, or you can just double click the file, right? Right click or double click. So double click natin, and then may magpa-pop up dito na dialog box, saying if we want to install or allow this app to make changes to your device. So syempre, we will select yes. Okay, and then as you can see here in your screen, okay, may dalawang options sa baba, install and cancel. Then we choose install. Click install. So yun, napakabilis lang guys, And then, of course, the last thing that we need to do is to click OK to close the installation. And click done. Okay? So, yun. Ganun lang guys kung paano mag-install ng WinRAR. Okay? So, thank you so much.